Want to add an overlay in CapCut on PC? Whether it's a logo, image, or video on top of your main clip, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open your CapCut project and make sure your main video is already added to the timeline. Next, choose the file you want to use as an overlay. This can be another video, a PNG image, a logo, or anything you like. Once it's imported, drag it down to the timeline, but make sure to place it above your main video layer. CapCut reads from top to bottom, so anything above will show as an overlay. Now you can click to select the overlay and move it around in the preview window. You can also resize it, rotate it, or reposition it wherever you want it to appear. If you want the overlay to appear only at a certain time, just trim or drag the ends of the clip to match the timing you need. You can also add animation to your overlay by selecting it, clicking on animation, and choosing an in or out effect. If you want the overlay to blend with the video, select it, go to Video, then Blend, and choose from modes like Soft Light, Overlay, or Multiply. And that's how you add an overlay in CapCut PC. It's simple and it gives your videos a more professional look. If this helped, give the video a like. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.